Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Claire Hair. So we're going to be doing a crochet wig tutorial and it's going to be Bountiful Curls featuring Trendy Tresses. Can't wait to show you guys. This looks like it's 24 inches in the color 4. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for oh wait. And welcome back from Naboo. Of course, today is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Now, I did 3 or 4 because y'all not about to play me today because I want to make sure I could do it. This is my first time using crochet. As I've said in the past before, I don't use crochet because I don't on my actual hair because my hair, the front of my hair is so fine. The back of my hair would be fine. My back of my hair would be okay with it. But because my hair is so fine, I really don't like putting something as heavy as crochet on my actual scalp. So you want to go in, and I got this wig cap from Amazon for like $6. It comes with 2 of them, and then you're just going to hook the hair through 3 or 4 holes. Don't just put one individually, and then going to come through with it. And I was trying to force the hook to close. I didn't know the hook automatically closes when you pass it through. So I think that was also a learning curve for me because I was like, what is going on? But yeah, so pretty much you're gonna see me really just find my way. It's gonna be mostly me just finding my way there. So finding my way of how to figure it out. I think that was like part 2 because I was really struggling. I want to show you guys, I've never done this before. So it looks like we got the head of it, so you go a little bit more there, and then we finally got it hooked through there. And you want to make sure there's space between it. It's really shiny, but I think once you open it up, it's going to be less that wiggy look, which I know you got. Everybody hates a wig look. So I'm going ahead and I'm just twisting it around, and then I'm just pulling it through here, making my knot and securing it. And then that's pretty much the method. I'm going to show a couple of more times because I really want to show you guys that it's okay to learn, because as you can see there, I don't think it was like a clean, what I like to call a clean knot there, because some of the hair was still there on the other side. So I think that was really important to show, because I've noticed that a lot of tutorials just shows this perfect technique, and I'm here to tell you I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm just going to go through, and I think I made them about 2 inches apart for the most part. All the sections about 2 inches apart. And I used all 6 packs of the hair, which you'll see later on that it's massive. So I used about 2 inches for the most part. So I got the majority of the bottom done. And time frame wise, this didn't take that long. I was shook. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was shook. Time frame wise, it didn't take that long. I think I watched an episode or 2 or something. So I think it was like 90 minutes at the most. But yeah, it was actually kind of relaxing. I'm just like, oh, I should make crochet wigs as a living or something. But for the most part, it was really relaxing. It wasn't really something that I could sit there and say, oh my God, this took me all day. Like, it was really relaxing. It took an hour. I had the clips in the front to really show. Yes, I'm so extra. I had the clips at the front to really show, like, it was just a marker for me so I can see like where to start, where to end at. And I wanted to make sure that it was even as well, because I was just like, okay, so there's like 2 or 3 on each side or whatever. I want to make sure that I'm not wilding. I also wanted to show the texture of what I was talking about from earlier, about how I said the color was really... The color's a 4. It is like a 4 in truity. Like, because I know sometimes I'll get a 4 and it's like, it's more black, but this is like a true 4, like brunette, you know? So this middle part right here, I wanted to show as well. This was like the little, I would say like the tip. It was like the tip of it, but yes, that's pack number 5 there, because all the packs are on. Now, one thing I could definitely say is that this part right here is very elastic, and like I said, I have a giant dome of a head, so I ended up tucking that piece there, and then I crocheted on top of it to like kind of close it a little bit. But I was trying to come as close as I could as possible towards the end, towards the front here, to make sure that it just looked more filling. But I'm going to go through again, show you guys my technique. So I'm going through 2 or 3 of them, And right now the hook is open, and then I'm going to hook the hair on there again. And honestly, I feel like you guys can all do it. I really feel like this is easier than sewing, actually. But I feel like everybody can do it. But I think the trickiest part is just how big the knots. If I could say, you know, some criticism on my own, I think what I would have done was separate the hair. You see how it's kind of struggling here because the knot is going to be so big. So I think I would have probably separated the hair and like made like half of that pack, and then like separated out more that way. So it could, I don't know how to describe it, but like, so it can be less bulky. I think I was definitely rushing. I was not feeling good. I'm still recovering. I had a very, very bad case of strep throat last week. And I was like, I have to film this before May the 4th is over. I could probably take a week off next week. We'll see. Probably not. But my body had just given up and I was just doing this automatically. I was so tired. But you see how the knot's not really clean. I think that could have been prevented if I would have done a smaller knot. So I just wanted to show you guys that part there too. I was also pulling on to show you how secure it is. Just in case somebody try you and try to be like, girl, let me get you. No, it's pretty secure. The knots are pretty secure on there, but they're also easy to take off as well. So this is like the ending result. And like I was saying, the hair is thicker than I thought it was. I didn't know the hair was gonna be that full, because like when you see a packet of hair, like someone said, I remember I was watching a tutorial, right? And it said you only need 2, maybe 3 packets of hair for crochet. And I was like, you're lying. I need all 6. They were correct. Now, mind you, it turned out being good, but you can see right here. This is 6 packs of the crochet hair. It's really fluffy. As you can see, it's a 4, and then my hair is a 1B. So let's see how it looks. In conclusion, it's a lot of hair. I mean, I like it. I mean, I could have did better, but like I said, it's my first crochet wig. How do you guys think I did? So now I'm gonna go style it for Padme. Pause. Oh God, it's not pausing. Oh no. Pause. Okay, if she talk, yeet, yeet. If the mannequin start talking.